Are you stuck in the friend zone? Well, if that's the case, it probably means that your conversations are dry and boring. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your conversations go from dry and boring to fun, teasy, and flirtatious, so that women can actually feel something when they talk to you. So let's dive into what needs to happen at a baseline level. First, you need the right energy. So step one is creating the right vibe. A lot of men ask, what should I say? And that's an irrelevant question if you're missing this step. Because two men could be having the same conversation with the same woman, and I can promise you, one will make her so bored she would want to run away, and the other one will keep her interested. And why is that? Because fundamentally, at a baseline level, it's not about the lines. It's about the energy you bring to the conversation. In other words, you can definitely ruin the vibe between you and the woman, even if the topic is interesting. But if your voice is flat, your body language is shut down, you have zero facial expression, nothing's gonna work. And some of the ways in which professionals, logical men, will fail at having good conversations with women will be because they don't smile, their body language is shut down, and they have zero emotionality in their language. Your face says more about how you feel than your words do. So if your face is blank, she's not going to feel anything positive, no matter how interesting your words are. Instead, let your emotions flow. You can raise your eyebrows up and down, here and there. You can smile a little bit. You can bring more energy into the conversation, and you can change up the vocal volume to make it stronger and then softer. You can change your vocal tonality, and you can use hand gestures in a purposeful and masculine way to depict an idea in her head. These little things will make your conversations come to life and will bring an energy she can resonate with. It won't make you attractive on its own, but it definitely will create the vibe that will keep the woman engaged and stop her from putting you into the friend zone. Step 2, teasing and playful tension. Tension is the next thing you need to bring after positive energy. If the conversation is only nice and agreeable, you will appear as the nice guy. You're not challenging enough, you're too friendly, aka she loses interest. So when is teasing too much? Teasing is too much when you're mean and offensive. And the sweet spot is actually teasing in a light way. One of the easiest ways to do that is just to disagree in a fun way. If she says something, you say, stop, not a chance. That can't be true. If you listen to how I just delivered that, you do that with a smile on your face and a fun tone of voice. So you instantly create that light push-pull dynamic. A lot of men are too scared to disagree because they don't want to make her mad. But playful disagreement make the emotions rise, and rising emotions create connection. The key here is never tease someone in a serious and logical way. Always deliver the tease with fun and expressive energy. You could also tell her why the two of you would never work out as a way to tease her more. You could say, what? You're into AC Milan? This will never happen between us. And then pretend leaving the conversation. This changes the way men usually try to impress women and position you as the prize she's playfully trying to win. This step is very important because it starts connecting friendly conversation with chemically charged romantic conversation. Step 3, flirting. Flirting feels difficult for a lot of men. It's not. Keep it simple. Using the word cute is one of the simplest ways to flirt. At the start of the date, say, by the way, you look really cute tonight. Or while you're talking, you could say, by the way, that was really cute how you did that. Very simple, very light. You're also flirting without putting a lot of pressure on the woman. Very important. Another way to flirt is with pull-push, with something like, you look nice, but. You can just add your flirt at the end of the sentence. You look cute, but you're definitely a little crazy. You're cute, but I don't trust your taste in ice cream. Here you're gradually moving from teasing to flirting. Again, it really matters how you deliver it, so take it easy. Also, hold eye contact a little longer, lower your voice tone a little bit, and smile in a controlled way. As well as the line, this makes her feel attracted to you emotionally based on your body language because you're creating that tension. And so if you do all of this, plus you have good energy, plus you flirted with her a little bit, these flirty lines are going to hit 10 times harder. So to finish up, if you do these 3 things, you build a vibe because you're expressive and energetic. You add some fun teasing, and you add some smooth, low pressure flirting. You stop talking like a friend and you start talking like a man women want to be with. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a busy entrepreneur or professional and you're very logical in your communication and you're struggling to build those positive emotions with women, there's a link in my bio. Book a free consultation and we will personally help you out.